They will tell you that once you end your live stream, you check your dashboard and the watch hours reflect immediately. But that's not actually true. The watch hours do not reflect immediately. And sometimes you might be there checking your dashboard thinking that you didn't do it well or something happened or you didn't get it. You don't know that that's not how it works. Once you end your live stream, if you go to your dashboard, you'll be seeing something that looks like this. 0 watch hour. You see the views coming in, but you're not going to see your watch hour immediately. You won't see how many watch hours that live stream gave you immediately. It will take you like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, even maybe 1 hour to see the watch hour reflect on your dashboard. Because first of all, the views will be coming in gradually till the number of views are complete. When the views are complete, you will not see the watch hours on your dashboard. And sometimes the full watch hour does not even reflect till after 24 hours or even 48 hours. So sometimes you might see even after maybe 24 hours, you might be seeing 100 watch hours on your dashboard. After 2 days, if you go back, you'll be seeing like 120 watch hours on that same video, because then YouTube has already calculated the real watch hour and set it to your dashboard. So don't go and start giving yourself headache and crying when you end your live streams and you're seeing 0 watch hours there, because they told you that once you end your live stream, 0 watch hours. But the good thing there is that there is a flip side to it. If you want to know the exact watch hours you got immediately you end your live stream, there is a way around it. And to do that, what you have to do is that before you enter your live stream, use another device, another phone or a laptop, log into your YouTube account, your YouTube channel, click on that particular video that is actually playing, that's current live stream that is ongoing. If you're using your phone, make sure you're logged in through Chrome, your browser, not YouTube app. If you're going to your browser, your laptop, better. Once you click on the video that is currently playing, you will see edit, you will see analytics. Click on analytics. Once you click on analytics, you're going to see something that looks like an analytics section of the video currently going on. You'll see the current number of views you're having and the current number of likes and even chats responses there. So the only way you'll not see the exact watch hour immediately you end the live stream is once you end that live stream from your phone, whatever phone you're using to do the streaming, after like 10-15 seconds, it automatically ends on that other device you're using to check. And once it ends on your device, on that other device, you will see the total number of views, something like this. You see the total number of views and then the chat responses, and that is where you will not see the complete watch hour. Once you see the watch hour, you can maybe write it down somewhere and then wait for it to now reflect on your YouTube dashboard. It's going to take like I said, maybe 48 hours, 24 hours to even see the complete watch hour. Because once you end the live stream and you don't check it particular method, by the time you now go and check, you'll be seeing 0 watch hour. And you'll be like, I didn't target watch hour. You have to check later. You have to be relying on your dashboard to now tell you how many watch hours you have accumulated. But if you want instant results, the exact results, you have to go through this method I just gave you. Okay? Now, if you're yet to use Restream, make sure you pay attention to the things I just mentioned. Just have it at the back of your mind to avoid they said. I'm still going to show you guys in my other videos the pros and cons of using Restream. This is not to discourage you, but to encourage you to get your channel monetized. Yes, even with using Restream. I'll see you guys in my next video, and if you're not subscribed yet, sweethearts, do subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss out a single thing. See you guys when I see you. Bye.